I don't want to brag. I'm usually pretty good at this type of game. Let's see how I do. I still have like more than 30 seconds to go. I've only got 1 point of health left. Are you serious? Hey, I'm Shan from UME Academy, and I love to play the games that our students make in our Video Game Design Flex course. Today I'm playing a game created by one of my Flex students. This is from our Advanced Spawners lesson, and I have to be able to keep this spaceship alive for 1 minute in an asteroid field. And I don't want to brag, I'm usually pretty good at this type of game. Let's see how I do. All right, so my lasers are firing. We've got, oh, hold on. Whoa, big asteroids turn into little asteroids, and those turn into even smaller asteroids. I've already lost 2 points of health? No way. Whoa, get back. Don't do it. Move. I still have like more than 30 seconds to go. I've only got 1 point of health left. No, move. Go! Okay, I think I'm safe here. I got it. I got it figured out. 20 seconds to go, but I'm done. Are you serious? Let me try that again. All right. I'm gonna be smarter. I already lost 2 points of health? Are you serious, bro? Try again. All right, okay. I'm gonna be smart this time. I'm gonna stay in the corner. I'm gonna just stay away from these asteroids as best I can. Use my lasers. Hold on, whoa. No. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. I know I can do this. I'm gonna go the coward's way. I'm gonna just stay as far away as I can and just keep shooting. No. Hold on. There we go. I got it. Hold on. No, I lost a point. Okay, move back up. I'm almost better off not to shoot these big ones because they create so many. 30 seconds, halfway there. I can do it. No. Oh, no. Seriously? Okay, so I'm obviously going to have to really practice if I want to beat this game. Great job by the game designer. Awesome work. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Who knows? Maybe I'll be playing your game.